Hi, I am Nauriel Barracin. I am 31 years old. I am a teacher and a student. I am single. I define myself as a studious, friendly, and responsible woman. I live in Cucuta City. Hi, madam. May I help you? Yes, you can. Could you bring me the chair, please? Yes, they with me 10 minutes. I have to attend or the table. Okay, back. Try to do you quickly. I need to leave soon. Okay, madam. One more thing. Will you like to drink a cup wafers? Yes, please. This menu? Well, I will order fried fish, please. Thanks. Would you like salad? No, I would like patacones instead. Very well, be right back. Thank you so much, miss. You're welcome, madam. You must be a great workman. You too. Have a nice day. Thanks.